Thank you for buying this 15971 closet door handles from Fixture Displays. The handle is about 4.7 inches long. It's made from casted zinc alloy. The cover is 2.5 inches in diameter. In addition to this color, we also have matte black, as well as different types of door handles, from passage door, entry door, with lock and keys, as well as the privacy doors for bathrooms, etc. If you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to email us. Our email address is cs@fixturedisplays.com. This handle works with door thickness from 1.77 to down to 1.38 inches thick. I hope you enjoyed this video and this product. Do like us, subscribe, remember leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. The orientation of the handle can be adjusted. You simply insert a pin, push in, and then remove the handle. Then turn the handle 180 degrees. That will give you the other orientation. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.